presentation is regularity to the school. Now I would like to call some of my sailors to perform a skit on this topic.
Porter, please come here. Wait, are you Omar, right?
No, I am not Umar.
Wait, I can recognize you, Omar.
No, I am not Umar.
You are Omar.
No, you are mistaken. I am not Umar.
You used to be my old classmate, don't you remember?
Yes, I am Umar. I was wrong.
But why are you here?
I am here as I didn't obey my elders. I wasted my time wandering here and there and did not obey my parents' advice. I was so irregular from school that school authorities cancelled my admission. I could not complete my education, so I am here now.
Oh yes, we should listen to our parents' advice because they always think for our own betterment.
Yes, you are right.
Oh, the train is coming. Allah Hafiz.
It's true. Irregularity from school can spoil one's future. Now I would like to call some of my classmates to present quotations
The
on this topic.
Bluetooth device is connected
Success in all
successfully.
walks of life. Regularity is about representing your own commitments.
Regularity helps in building confidence.
Lack of regularity creates an atmosphere of despair. Regular person earns greater credibility.